Let me show you a little magic today. I have sketched this butterfly on this drawing sheet and now I'm painting it with turmeric, which we all know and can see is yellow in color. Now after painting, I let it rest for a while and this is what I see. So why did the yellow butterfly turn red all of a sudden? Turns out turmeric isn't just a spice. It's also a secret pH detective. And it's not the only one. From rose petals to jamun juice to purple cabbage, nature has its own set of colorful indicators. Let's explore some of them today. First things first. So before painting this sheet with turmeric solution, I painted this butterfly using a hand sanitizer. So when the turmeric brushed over it, boom, the butterfly turned red. Sounds magical, but it's all science. So why did the hand sanitizer make the butterfly turn red? Because hand sanitizer, like shampoos and soap, is a base. And turmeric turns orange-red with bases. That is why your white shirt goes reddish if you try to wash away a turmeric stain with soap water. But here's the twist. Turmeric only changes color with bases. But with acids or neutral stuff, like water, there is no color change. Which means turmeric can only tell us if something's a base, but not much else. And that's where roses come in. Now let me show you how you can make your own red rose indicator. Take some fallen rose petals. Don't pluck. Now wash them and crush them using a mortar and pestle. And then pop them in a glass with hot water. Okay, pop them in a glass with hot water and cover it with a glass lid. And wait for 5 to 10 minutes, like you're brewing a petal tea. Once it's nice and colored, it's time to strain it. It's time to strain it. And once you have strained it, you have made yourself your very own homemade red rose extract. Now it's time to test different substances using this red rose indicator that we have just made. So split your extract into 3 cups and label them A, B, and C. To cup A, add some lemon juice, and you would see the color of the extract turn deep red. To cup B, add plain water, and you won't see the extract change color. To cup C, add a drop of shampoo, and you would see the extract turn green. So what can we say from this? Red rose extract turns deeper with acids. With neutral solutions, there is no color change, and with bases, it turns green. So red rose extract is basically nature's version of litmus paper, right? Only way prettier. Now you have got 2 indicators in your science toolkit, turmeric and red rose indicator. Turmeric turns orange-red with bases, whereas with acids and neutral solutions, it does not change its color. Red rose indicator turns green with bases. With acids, it turns into a deeper shade of red. And with neutrals, there is no color change. Now to add some more indicators to your toolkit, you can try testing beetroot, purple cabbage, jamun, or even hibiscus petals. See how they react to acids and bases and maybe invent your own sciencey magic in the process.